Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have dt. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, we need to divide both sides by negative 0.1. So, this one we change by u. E to the power of negative 0.1t dt we change by this one. So 0.4 divided by 0.1, we have number 4. The integration of negative and 1 over u squared, we have 1 over u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.